5. Today we are going to have a look at decimals. We have looked at this before, so this is a bit of a recap lesson for you. So the first thing I want you to do is to watch the Khan Academy video to recap what you know from last half term. So if you just copy and paste the link into your browser, you'll be able to watch the video just so that you can remember what it was we did when we were in class. Okay, so now remember, decimals are numbers that are less than one whole. They are a part. So in front of us we have got a place value grid to help us. So in our place value grid we can see that we have got represented 4 tenths, we have got 5 ones. Now we've got some part numbers. In our tenths column we have got 1 tenth. In our hundredths column, we have got 7 hundredths. Okay, remember that hundredths are smaller than tenths. Okay, so if we were now to read that number, the number that we would have is 45.17. Remember, don't read it as 45.17, it's 45.17. So, on the next page, I want you to have a go now at writing the number that you can see in front of you. How many ones have you got? How many tenths? And how many hundredths? So I'm going to give you a moment just to have a go at writing that number down. Okay, so the number you should have is 5, because we've got 5 ones, 0.37, because you've got 3 tenths and 7 hundredths. Okay, so the question that I'm going to ask you now is to think about what would happen if we had 4 more hundredths onto our hundredths column. Okay, so I'm going to show you visually on here. So we currently have got 7 and I'm going to add 4 more on. Now, that changes the number in this column. Okay, it changed it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But just like as in our ones column, our tens column, our hundreds column, we can't have any digit that's more than 9. So we can't have 11 hundredths in this column. Okay, but we have got 11 hundredths. It means we need to exchange some of our hundredths now into a tenth. Now, 900 actually equal 1 tenth. So if I was to cross off 9, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 to make 10 hundredths, which equals 1 tenth. So I'm going to exchange those 10 hundredths and make them into 1 more tenth, which means now we have got 4 tenths, and rather than 11 hundredths, we've now only got 1 hundredth. So the number would now read 5.41. Okay, so as you can see, like I just said before on the previous page, when we have got 100 square, 100 square can be divided into 100 parts. Our 100 square equals 1 whole. So when I have got into 100 pieces and I colour 10 in, if I was then to put my 100 square into tenths, I actually have got 10 hundredths equals 1 tenth, as you can see in 100 square. Okay, so what we're doing for me now is I would like you to watch the video on the White Rose Math Home Learning Year 5. It's lesson 1 on decimals up to 2 places. You are then going to complete the questions. Questions 1 to 5 are silver. Questions 6 to 9 are gold. And then if you want to have a go at the Platinum Challenge, it's on the next page. Everybody, I'd like you to have a go at your learning by questions, and the code is on our school webpage today for you. For platinum, you have got a bit of a problem solving one to do, where you've got to explore different combinations that can be made using different counters. Okay, so think about what you know about your place value. When you have done your questions, you can also mark the silver and gold questions yourself. If you want platinum mark, then please send it to us. And remember to send all of your learning every single day to Miss Williams and to myself. I hope you enjoyed today's maths challenge, and I will see you soon.